Okay, guys. Hello, everyone. So, welcome to each one of you to find this video. Um, for an expression that we bring for you today, the expression that we bring for is dog eat dog. Dog is dog is the expression that we bring for you today. So, let me take a pause, and after the pause, we're gonna break some sentence for you. And so don't forget to subscribe, share the video, yo, abonner pour pas rater aucune expression qui n'a blague. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Qu'on y a nous tourner après pause là, so m'passe que c'est moment que pour nous apprendre expression avec quelques exemples. Okay, on va commencer. People in my country are living dog eat dog. People in my country are living dog eat dog. Moun nan peyam viv cher manje cher, ok? Moun nan peyam viv cher manje cher. Ok, konya si ou besoin di moun nan peyam viv cher manje cher, à travers des expressions ça wap capable di à l'aise. People in my country are living dog eat dog. Alright, guys. Goodbye. Okay.